Hi everyone. Today we are going to see how to make a YouTube video intro. This is the first edition and I'll be making a few more later. I've provided a few examples, so make sure you stay tuned till the end. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube intro for the Lazy Cook YouTube channel. Lazy Cook, we recently made a logo for the Lazy Cook also. If you have not watched it, please go ahead and watch it. So today I'm using that as an example. So first, let's go and search for a YouTube intro in the search bar. You can search for YouTube outro also if you're doing for the outro video, but let's stick to intro for this tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to click on this and it's going to open up a new workspace for me. From here, we are going to choose a template that we want to use for the YouTube intro. Okay, scroll down and you can see a lot of options depending on how you want to go. The mode of your YouTube channel, you can choose accordingly. Since the Lazy Cook is a cooking channel, so I will be searching for something cooking related. So if I type on cooking, I will be able to see a lot of options. This is one really like. It has a lot of elements going on and it is very interesting. And let me see. Okay, this looks interesting as well. I think this one is like a 4 videos combined into one. This is also a good idea. We can use this as well if you want to do. Okay, let's just try and see how this looks. Okay, it is looking stylish. Oh, okay, but I think I will stick to the first one. I like that a bit more than this. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this. All right, so we are going to make some changes to this template, and then we are going to make our very own YouTube intro. So there are a lot of elements going around. There's a lot of animations also in this template, and we can make changes to every single one of them. Okay, we can change the background color, we can change the font, we can even change the elements, everything we can do. One thing that you need to be very conscious about when you're doing your intro is that you want to be very quick. We don't want to waste people's time because they are on your channel actually just to for your content, not for your intros or your logo or anything. So we need to be crisp. So this is about 6.4 seconds. This is all right, but I would prefer if it was within 5 seconds. Okay, let's try and see if we can achieve that. So this is not the only page there is going to be. I'm going to include other pages as well, so I want to put this at 2 seconds. Now I'm going to add another page. We can just go and duplicate the page or just click on the plus sign. The plus sign will give you a blank template, but when you duplicate the page, all the elements in the first page, you will get it on your second page as well. So since this has a lot of animations, we want to duplicate the page. We don't want to add a new page here. Okay, I will be playing these videos over and over again because I will be tweaking minor details, so bear with me. So I'm going to change the animations. I don't want everything animating as it is. I want to change a few things. Sometimes if all of them have the same animation set, we will be able to bulk edit them, but I don't think this is the case for this one, so I think I will have to edit them one by one. Okay, let me see. Go down there, go to animate. Okay, so I have this I can bulk animate all these things, and I can remove the animation in bulk over here also. Okay, let me just scroll. Okay, let me see what I want to do. Okay, I'm gonna click on this text and go to this animation. Okay, it has a shift animation, and these are the settings for that. Okay, and I want to just have this on enter. On enter meaning that when you're exiting, it does not like when you're going to the second slide, it does not come back, the animation does not start over again. So once it starts, it finishes, and it does not come back again when you're doing the second page. So that is what it is. So each and every one of these, I'm going to just remove the animation and then set it according to what I want. Basically, this is playing around with the Canva settings and stuff. So you, when whatever your elements are, and what your style of making is, you have to make the decision based on that. Okay, so now I have added a cross sign over here. Okay, basically the idea of the Lazy Cook YouTube channel is to actually provide cooking that is simple, not a sophisticated or classy kind of cooking. It is just plain simple. Okay, we want to be in and out of the kitchen in about 10-20 minutes. That's the max. So we want to actually bring that idea across. So I'm going to put a big cross over that Japanese, Chinese, and Western cooking. We don't want that. And I have used a stomp animation over here, and I'm going to duplicate this page, and I'm going to just delete this, and I'm going to change the font in the Japanese, Chinese, and Western cooking to just simple cooking. Okay, so this brings out the idea. Okay, so this is not what the channel is about, this is what the channel is about. So that is what we're going to convey in our intro. Okay, so this is what we want, and we can animate this. Okay, so I'm going to see how it turned out. Okay, click on that. I want to animate this. Okay, I want to use a typewriting function, so that each letter will come separately. Yes, this is what I want. So I'm going to click on this. I want it on enter only. So this is 2 seconds. I'm going to change the timing to 1 second. We just want that cross to come in and out. And this one also I can put it at 1.5. Okay, so currently our video is at 4.5 seconds. Okay, let's try playing it. Okay, looks all right. And now we want to bring in our logo as well. We want to put in the logo which we had created in the previous video. Just trying to tweak this timing a little bit more. We don't want anything to lag. Once the typing is over, or once the text is there, we just want that to just go away as fast as possible, so that the next element can come in. So that is basically the idea. We don't want to waste any time. Once it is there, it is there, and we want that out. Okay, I'm just going to check all this. I'm going to make sure all these are just on enter, so that it does not keep moving here and there. We don't want so much movement from these elements. These are moving as it is, but we don't want them appearing and disappearing at times, so we just want them to be there all the time. So I'm just going to press on enter. Everything is on enter. Yes, let's try and play. Okay, they are still there, they're not disappearing. Okay, so it's good. Okay, now we want to add another page. I'm going to duplicate this, so that everything is the same as it is. I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to import the logo. The logo, I had saved it in Canva, the brand kit. So when you go into your left panel, you'll be able to see this section called logos. So you can either upload your logo, or you can select it from your brand kit. Okay, so this is the logo we had designed, and I'm just going to resize this. I've used the transparent logo for this. Right, just position this, and I want to animate this now. maybe a neon effect would be better, maybe, you know, like a blinking kind of thing. And I want that to be on enter as well. Yes, this is the neon effect. Okay, this is what I want. On enter. Okay, I can increase or decrease the intensity, like how much it blinks and how long it blinks. So now it's about 5.5 seconds. Let's try and play this. Okay, okay, it's looking good. Just change this animation to come on enter. Just on enter. Where is it? Sorry. Okay, here it is. Now it is on enter only, and yeah, it's on enter. All these are on enter. I'm going to change the intensity. Yeah, okay. So I just want to change this Teddy U to something else, maybe Yada or something like that. This is just an example. I'm not going to use this, but you get the. This is just to give you the idea of what you can accomplish with the Canva to create a YouTube intro. Okay. Okay, if you had done it in the beginning when you duplicated it, would everything would be the same, but since we didn't do, I'm going to change each and every slide separately so that it reflects. Okay, our intro is almost ready. Now what we want to do is we want to add some audio to it. Okay, I'm going to, you can either upload your own audio or you can go to elements and search for audios. Okay, so these are my uploads. You can just go to elements and go and search for audio as well. Once you have decided on the audio, you just have to click on it and it will automatically show on your workspace. What you can do is you can arrange it accordingly. If there are some portions where you don't want the music, you just cut it out. Okay, when you click on it at the top section, you will be able to see audio effects and adjust. Okay, when you click on audio effects, you can see there is this fade in and fade out, and in adjust you can see that you are able to slide the bar across so that you can choose which portion of the audio you want to use in your intro. So these are some cool functions that Canva introduced recently, and it is very useful, so make use of it. Okay, you can just slide across and see where your audio fits in perfectly with your intro, and you can use that audio. Okay, let me tweak the timings a little bit. Okay, this one I want to show a little longer because the logo is there. Okay, let's play and see how it goes. Okay, looking all right. So this is how you create a YouTube intro. Basically, you can just play around with the elements and have so much fun and come up with various versions of it. After that, you can just download it. Make sure you download all the pages. Don't miss out any pages, and download as an MP4 video. Here is another example of one of the YouTube intros I did, and here is another one. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.